Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our 3D printing business. In this module, we're going to dive into the exciting world of 3D modeling and show you how to create your very first 3D model. Whether you're a complete beginner or have a bit of experience, you'll learn the essential steps to bring your ideas to life in the digital realm. The importance of 3D modeling. Creating your own 3D models is a crucial skill for any aspiring 3D printing entrepreneur. It allows you to design custom products, prototypes, and even unique art pieces that you can then bring to life using your 3D printer. By mastering 3D modeling, you'll unlock a whole new world of creative possibilities and gain the ability to truly differentiate your business from the competition. Software options. Now, there are many different 3D modeling software options out there, each with its own strengths and features. In this course, we'll be using Fusion 360, a powerful and user-friendly CAD computer-aided design tool that's widely used in the 3D printing industry. Fusion 360 has a great balance of complexity and accessibility, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. Getting started with Fusion 360. To get started, you'll need to download and install Fusion 360 on your computer. Don't worry, it's completely free for hobbyists and small businesses. Once you've got it set up, we'll walk through the basics of the interface, including the different workspaces, tools, and panels. The modeling process. Now, let's dive into the actual modeling process. We'll start by sketching out a simple 3D shape, such as a coffee mug or a small figurine. You'll learn how to use the various drawing tools, snap features, and constraint options to ensure your model is precise and accurate. From there, we'll move on to extruding, revolving, and combining shapes to create more complex 3D forms. We'll also show you how to use the powerful sculpting tools to add fine details and textures to your models. Saving and exporting. Once you're happy with your creation, we'll cover how to properly save your 3D model and export it in the correct file format for 3D printing. This is a crucial step, as the file format can have a significant impact on the final quality and printability of your model. And there you have it, folks. By the end of this module, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to start designing your own 3D models. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. In the next few videos, we'll dive deeper into 3D scanning, design optimization, and prototyping, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.